Welcome back to Jacques Tech channel. Yo guys, how are you guys doing over there? In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can make the Windows Start menu to show in full screen mode. Normally, when you buy your laptop, under default, when you click on the Windows icon from your keyboard, you'll always see a half screen like you can see from my laptop. Now, in today's video, we are going to learn how we can make it a full screen display like you can see up here. Now, let's go straight to our video. Now, basically, the first thing you need to do is you have to open your settings, and that is by clicking the Windows icon plus I, that is from your keyboard. So when the Windows setting open, you click on personalization, like you can see from our arrow there. So when you click on that, and then the next thing is to click on the start. So you click on start. Now, when you click on start, you'll basically see that text written use start full screen. So you're gonna toggle the off button so that turns on. So when you click on that, you can basically now close the settings, and then you try to press your Windows icon on your keyboard. Now you can see that now the Windows Start menu is actually showing in full screen mode. So guys, this is the video that I wanted to share with you today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, which I'll see you back later. Bye bye.